So I bought this Volvo the other day, and buddy I bought it off told me that it just needed some spark plugs. Turns out it needs way more than spark plugs. See all the oil coming off the timing belt? That's really not a good sign. And then if you look down here, you see all that smoke coming out of there, and then it randomly kicks into that stupid kick. This thing needs a lot more than just some spark plugs. I don't even know how this thing's running. It looks like the front main's gone, and then it looks like the turbo's gone because it's pushing oil into the intercooler, and then it's chugging out of the intercooler, and then it does that weird clicking noise. I'm not sure what that is, but it's a shame. This thing's pretty clean, but it is a smoker. And if you guys don't know what I mean by it's a smoker, all right, you ready? Let's take a look at this tailpipe. So there you go, just at idle. Now let's give her some juice here, boys and girls. With this car being this hard to start, there's no real sense to me to really do anything with it. I was thinking maybe I could try to put a Camry motor into it and try it, but I'd only really want to do that if I didn't have Toyota Camrys laying around, but unfortunately I have lots of Toyotas. These cars are tough. They are very, very tough cars, but the problem is that the motors and the electrical set these cars back. And this is a prime example of that. Still runs, but realistically doesn't run very well. I don't know. I'm thinking what I might do is I might just take the intercooler, the radiator out of it, and just scrap it. I got some good new winter tires out of the deal, but kind of a little bit of a letdown. But I don't know. I was kind of hoping this thing would run and then we could enduro it, but with it running like this, I wouldn't even bother taking it up to the endurance race. It would smoke so bad that people would get upset with you. And I imagine it's got no power, but you guys want to see that smoke cloud one more time? And then we'll just call it a day and say that she's junk? Alright, I hear you guys saying yes already. Well, with that's the end of this Volvo. We're not going to be derbying this thing, that's for sure. Oh well, on to bigger, better Toyota things. I don't know, should I just let it sit here and run? See how long it takes for it to actually legitimately blow up? But there's a lot of oil coming out of this thing. I don't know how much is going to be left in the bottom of that motor soon. I don't know. Oh, she didn't sound very happy there. Oh well. No idea what's wrong with it. Don't have any patience to try and figure out. Oh, that's not good. That just fell under the exhaust manifold. Take care, guys. See you back here tomorrow. Stupid Volvo.